Okay, folks, this one is quite straightforward. They are asking us to determine the values of x for which h of x will be smaller than 1. Now, folks, this is for 3 marks. The whole question 5 was for 12. Okay, and it shouldn't be that difficult. It should take you at least 12 to 13 minutes. Okay, let's have a look. If I look at h of x smaller than 1, remember what was h of x? We just calculated it, or it was given to us rather. 27 times 3 to the minus x is which we had. Okay, so what do we want to know? Well, for now, we want to know where this is smaller than 1. Okay, let's see. Our bases, now this is very important. On your sketchboard, folks, please look at the powers. I'm going to put it in the tips. Look at the base. The base is very important. If the base lies between 0 and 1, okay, so if the base is a fraction between bigger than 0 but smaller than 1, then you must watch out when dropping the base. Okay, any base between smaller than 1 would be if I worked with a base of a third here. Okay, why? Because watch out, when you're dropping the base, the sign will change direction. That is the important catch here. Okay, so let's start. We've got 3 to the power of negative x is smaller than 1 over 27. And 1 over 27, that would mean that 3 to the minus x is smaller than 3 to the negative 3. Now, folks, that's nice and important, because now the basis that I'm going to drop is not between 0 and minus 1, so I can ignore those bases. I'm not dropping or cancelling them, I'm ignoring them. And I can say that minus x is smaller than minus 3. But what now? I'm going to divide by a negative. If you divide by the negative, the inequality changes direction. So for 3 marks, h of x is smaller than 1 if x is bigger than 3. Remember, when does your inequality change? You've got to understand when you change these. And the first thing is when you're dividing by a negative. The second time is if your base lies between 0 and 1 and you drop that base, then the inequality will change direction. Okay, you should be able to do this question in less than 3 minutes. It is easy. It's not hard to do. Just remember the tricks that they can catch you with.